We're gonna be reviewing some hair extensions. I have two different kinds. How cute the packaging is. This is by the brand E-litchi. I hope I'm saying it right. If not, I'm sorry. Leave all the information in the description. Did send me this. I picked it myself. I picked the color, I picked the style, so hopefully they look good. I didn't make a mistake. This is first impressions. Video was not sponsored. Just in case they give us a discount code, I'll leave it in the description. I have two different ones. This one is a ponytail. This are clip-ons. I hope, do you see that? I hope I picked the right shades. Is Remy human hair. You can style it, you can color it. These are on the pricier side because they're human hair, so you really want to take care of them. For what I see in the site, it says free express shipping on all orders over 30. Do ship worldwide. Now these are two different styles, but they have more on their site. They have tape-ins, ponytails, toppers, bangs and buns, DIY bundles, accessories. Definitely check out their site. Is actually in 613. Both of them are 613 if you look on the site. Let's cut this. If the color suits me, then I'll be very happy. I think we'll try this one. We'll leave the ponytail for last. You look on the back, they have all their like contact information. So do have their email address as well if you need to contact customer service. They have lots of different lengths, lots of different colors. Oh my god, this is so soft. Wow. Oh my god, do you think it's just putting it like this gets me so excited. I'm telling you, when I did that video a long time ago, this was the shade I picked as well, and it was a really good match. I'm not an expert in putting these, so we're gonna do this together. You can definitely wash it before you use this. Oh, is it a little light? I did just do some highlights on my own. It's a little lighter, right? But I believe like this one is like, you see it's like more of a combination of color, but it's not just like one shade of blonde. That's why I like it, because I have my base and then I also have highlights. Reviewing the hair quality, we'll read how you're supposed to take care of them in the back too. You're gonna invest money on like hair extensions, take care of them because they're pricey. I'm definitely gonna take care of these. These have 3 clips, have some that just have 2, so I believe those will be like towards the front. You see, these have 3. I just really like that. You see the different shades of blonde? I like that. Look at this, I got burned. I also have the one that's 1. They do give you like a coupon for like 10% off your next order. That's pretty cool. Some extra clips just in case. Breaks, you can sew it back on. Just a little card. It says instructions. That's very good if you're like new to extensions. I definitely don't play with extensions a lot, but I love how it looks. Oh my god, it just makes me feel so good. Have to be scared of buying them and not knowing like how to use it. It tells you here. Very self-explanatory with pictures and everything. Recommended cool or warm water to wash. Use shampoo and brush gently. Use conditioner to keep hair silky and smooth. Again, these are just recommendations to keep the hair at its best, but you do as you wish. Rinse thoroughly with hair conditioner and apply cream, rinse, or spray as desired. After washing from the bottom, gently brush hair using downward motion, gently moving until you have brushed all the hair. Never begin brushing from the top or the middle. It will damage and cause the hair to tangle. Blow dry hair with cold air to avoid dry hair. Let me see. Again, this is not an expert try on. I'm not an expert here. Just gonna put like a piece here. I'm not gonna put all of them on, but just so you can see. So these are like really long. You don't have to get them as long. You could also tease your hair before putting this, but it feels like nicely secure. And look how well that is matching with my hair. Using the one that's just with the 1 clip. If you feel like you can see it, definitely tame your hair first. You can definitely curl these if you want it to blend better. I cannot describe how soft they feel. It's insane. Obviously, I'm just showing you really quickly here. Make sure you place them better. This feels so comfortable. So you can see they're pretty long. Wow, if only. So if you don't want them this long, they have shorter. So remember, I don't have these placed like perfectly. I just was doing a quick demo, but yeah, I love them and I can't wait to use them. I'm gonna be using them in my videos. Now we're moving on to the ponytail. You see it does come like with some bobby pins and some scrunchies. That's really cool that they include everything for you. Where's my scissor? Hello? Here it is. Oh, we don't need a scissor for this one. Same instructions here. So this one comes like in a net. This has, ooh, I like it. Ooh. You see this? That's a little light, right? But for a ponytail, I think it's good. Let's see. Here it is. So I guess you take this out. Alright. That's what it looks like. So we make our ponytail, do our ponytail, and then this piece is gonna go wrapped around. There's like so much hair here. Definitely better quality than the ones I showed you guys like 3 years ago. Wow. Okay, we'll use this here. And you can grab your hair however you like. It's just a quick demo. See, this is what it comes with. Bobby pins, and you have 2 scrunchies. I like the color of the scrunchie too. So I'm just quickly gonna grab my hair. Regular ponytail. Try and see if I can do it like this. Put this right in here. Can curl this, you can dye it. This one I feel like is much lighter, as you see how it blends with my hair. Yeah, kind of. Make sure you put this well. It does have a lot of weight to it. You'll need like 2 scrunchies, more bobby pins, but this is beautiful. Really good quality. I'm very happy to have tried them. Let me know which one was your favorite. Which one would you feel more comfortable wearing? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description for all the information. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.